Hello, my social cam friends. I'm at Megan Stone's ranch. It's a beautiful day out here. We've got goats. Hi, goat. Hi, goat. Hi, goat. It's Ron and a goat. Wait, what? Me and Mike Leedy, we just did some engagement photos. How'd you like that?
It was pretty good.
We're gonna still do some more because we like taking pictures.
Yeah.
I have this.
Oh, and we got Cash, Megan's horse. Hi, Megan.
What's up?
Megan's used to being on camera.
My stallion.
Hello, stallion.
Hi, good boy. He's dirty.
Oh, that's okay.
They're dirty. He is dirty. You've been rolling around out there?
Huh? Hi, buddy.
Getting
Hi.
fat.
Ron Rigdon, one with nature, with Megan Stone. Oh, we just headbutted each other.
Yes, we did. Like goats.
That's how we roll.
We're like nature.
That's right. We love nature.
Oh,
And he likes nature too.
that was awesome.
Hello. Hello. What'd you think about that? Rigdon, nap taker. How you doing, Lisa?
Great.
All right. Enjoy
like
the
his
social
brand.
cam. Ron Rigdon, out.